Olá and welcome to Daily Portuguese.
This is podcast about Portuguese language and Portuguese culture.
Bom dia.
Hello.
Bom dia, Maria.
Bom dia, Dulcidia.
Today, we are going to talk about 20...
Survival kit.
Survival
in
kit,
Portugal.
yes. So the survival kit in Portugal is just the bottle opener. No, the 20 useful words, phrases for those who are going to Portugal for the first time. So this is an episode just for beginner. Like this person that wants to bought the tickets because they found it on a good price. Don't know how. Maybe you can explain me. And want to say something in Portuguese.
Mm-hmm.
And you feel happy that go to Portugal and say something in Portuguese. So yes. So let's start from the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The first three are really basic. It's bom dia,
Bom dia. Good morning.
boa tarde
Boa tarde. Good afternoon.
e boa noite
Boa noite. Good night.
or good evening. So these three are just how we greet people. So we use them. Bom dia, we use them in the morning until lunchtime, like 1 o'clock. Boa tarde after lunch until before dinner. And boa noite after dinner until, I don't know. Then the next one, so if you have to interact with someone and you want to call this person attention, we say desculpe,
Desculpe.
which means,
Which is I'm sorry.
or
But you also use it sometimes as excuse me.
excuse me, exactly.
But there is one more excuse me in Portuguese, which is
Com licença,
com licença.
which is like
Just like if
allow
you,
me,
Yeah.
kind of.
Yeah.
Not an
Like
excuse
if
me, but more like
if
allow
you
me.
want to pass in the shop and someone is blocking the aisle,
Mm-hmm.
then you say com licença.
Yes.
And also because Portugal is such a polite country, if you want to close the door,
Yes, we don't close the door on
in
someone's face.
yes.
We just say, oh,
Like,
com
allow
licença.
me
And then
to
you
close the
smash.
door.
No. Okay, another good
funny, but
question for all of you. Fala inglês.
Fala inglês?
Huh?
Ah?
Fala inglês, sim, yes. So it means
Do you speak English?
exactly. So you can use the first what we said before. Desculpe. Fala inglês. Excuse me. Do you speak English? And then the person will say yes, hopefully, and then you can continue your conversation. A good one. Não falo português.
Não falo português. I don't speak Portuguese.
Yes. So when people start to, well, most of the times we identify the person as a foreigner.
Yeah, but nowadays it's so
hard.
many foreigners that,
We don't know. We lost the count.
and there are some people that actually speak Portuguese.
Yes, there are. Each time more. You'd be surprised. Like every time I meet more people.
Yes, but and then basically if you say não falo português, then Portuguese just start to speak slower and louder so you can understand.
Makes perfect sense. I don't know why she's complaining. That's how it goes. Pode repetir, por favor.
Pode repetir, por favor. Can you repeat, please?
Exatamente. Pode falar mais devagar.
Pode falar mais devagar. Could you speak slower, please?
And now, one that I know a lot of people love it because we will go to Portugal and we want to buy everything. So we ask, quanto custa?
Quanto custa?
And if the person takes too long to answer this question, it means that they are trying to charge you more than they should. So quanto custa, it means how much does it cost?
Yeah, there is this TV show. It's called Quanto Custa, no?
No, there's a
Or it's
website.
called Custa.
No, there's a website
this
called
one where you
Quanto
have to-
Custa. Is a website for you
Yeah.
to check the price of everything in Portugal.
Yeah, the comparison. But also there is this TV show where people guess the price of products, no?
Ah,
I thought it's called that.
no. O preço certo.
Ah, o preço certo.
The right price. Oh, wow. How you remember those things? Okay. Another one, very useful, and for most of people that are like me, you need to pay attention because I never have cash with me. And and you might enter a shop, ask for a lot of things, and then they will ask you that they have to pay in cash. It happens quite often in Portugal. Posso pagar com cartão?
Posso pagar com cartão? Can I pay with card?
Can I pay by card? Exactly. So
And the thing is that it's very useful in Portugal to have cash. I'm not talking about 300 euros, but like
50 euros,
some
yeah.
change.
for a coffee
because-
and a cake, for sure.
Yeah. Because, of course, in the most touristic places, there is usually no problem.
So let me put it in a different place. If it's a brand shop,
Yeah.
Zara, whatever, like these
Yeah,
big
yeah,
shops,
of course,
or
yeah.
shopping, don't think about it. If it's a small family coffee shop, restaurant, or small shop, yes,
There might be a problem.
yes,
And often you also can pay attention on the front door. If you cannot pay by card by default, they usually have crossed
Some sign.
MB, Multibanco, which is the system for paying by card and ATMs.
ATM, yes.
Often they also have crossed MB Way, which is...
It's our way of transfer money via SMS, not SMS, but
No, it's like, I forgot the name of it in it's not Wise, but it's something
like a transfer to make transfer between phone
yeah,
numbers.
fast transfers,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
And often they have on the door written pagamento con dinheiro,
Or
which is payment with cash.
or something like minimum 5 euros,
Yeah, that happen often.
which is not legal, by the way. But
Yeah.
who cares in Portugal? Onde fica a casa de banho?
Onde fica a casa de banho? Where is bathroom?
Queria um café, por favor.
Queria café, por favor. I would like coffee, please.
Yes, I'd like a coffee, please. So queria, you can, even if you are traveling now, queria is the polite word to say I would like. Queria um café, queria copo de água, queria everything. Like the next one, queria a conta, por favor.
Queria a conta, por favor.
So
I would like a bill.
The bill, please. Or, if you prefer, you can just make the gest with hand that you are writing.
Gesture.
And the gesture. And this movement, it's our sign language for the bill in Portuguese.
But you need to catch
need to-
eyesight of...
there's an eye contact.
ne-
That for some
Waiter.
cultures are not that comfortable with eye contact. We made eye contact and then we make... And the
And
guy's
then
like... It means gotcha. Tem uma mesa para 2 pessoas.
Tem uma mesa para 2 pessoas. Do you have a table for 2 people?
For 2, yes. Onde é a estação de metro?
Onde é a estação
Ah.
de metro? A estação de metro. It's one of those. Where is metro station?
Exatamente. Este comboio vai para o Porto.
Este comboio vai para o Porto.
Does
Does
this...
this train goes to Porto?
Yeah, so you can use this
Does
for...
this go to Porto?
Yeah, does this train go to Porto? You can use this for a lot of different situations. Este autocarro vai para a praia. Does this bus goes to the beach, for example? Pode chamar um táxi, por favor?
Pode chamar o táxi, por favor?
Estou perdido.
Can you
Yes.
call the taxi, please?
Yes, I'm sorry that I got too excited about the next one. Estou perdido or estou perdida.
Estou perdido, men, and estou perdida, women. I'm lost.
I'm lost. And the next one comes together with this one. Preciso de ajuda.
Preciso de ajuda. I need help.
Exatamente. Tenho uma reserva.
Tenho uma reserva.
Means
I have a reservation.
very useful if you
Yeah.
book a hotel or restaurant or anything else.
Yeah, now, because I don't know how common knowledge is that for people, that in Portugal, still a lot of restaurants open only for lunch and dinner.
If it's in out of a touristic area, They close.
Even touristic areas.
Oh, really?
They are often open like that. And for the nice restaurants, especially for dinner, it's very useful to call to book a table.
Yes. Yes. So that's it. Those are the 20 useful phrases. So it will allow you to have. You're not going to have a conversation. We are not here to trying to trick anyone. So like, oh, after this, fluently. But it will be nice and kind to say a few words in Portuguese
Yeah.
to some people.
If you're lost in the middle of nowhere,
Yes,
where they don't speak English.
for example. So that's it for today.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Bye.